Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to display a confirm message before closing the user form. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output. Now when I try to close this user form, see here we got the message, are you sure you want to close user form? If I click no, the application is not closed. Again, if I click yes, see application is closed. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I am creating a new Excel worksheet, new workbook. In order to create a user form, we require the developer. Click the developer. Once we click the developer under code, click Visual Basic. Now, my aim is I want to first create a user form. So whenever user wants to close that user form, I want to display the confirm message, yes or no. So first let's create a user form. Go to insert, click user form. Here we got user form. Now after that, then first before adding the confirmation message, let's run this application. Here we got the user form. Now when I click this close button, notice the application is closed. I want to display the customized message box to display before closing the user form. So for that, select the user form, right click the mouse, go to view code. Now here we got the user form. At the right side combo box, we got all the events. We require the query close. For the query close, first we require the cancel. See, this method takes two parameters, cancel and close mode. Cancel is equals to, now we require the message box. Message box, the prompt, are you sure you want to close user form, comma, and second parameter takes the VB yes no. Let's close this user form. Now after that is equals to VB no. Now let's run this application. Now let's check the final output. Now when I try to close this user form, see here we got the message, are you sure you want to close user form? If I click no, the application is not closed. Again, if I click yes, see application is closed. Let's check again. Now when I want to close this user form, I am getting the customized message. Are you sure you want to close user form? If I want no, it's still activate. The application will run. If I choose yes, the application will close. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to add the confirmation message box before closing the user form. That's it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel. Catch you in my next video tutorial.